My name is Amy. I am 23 years old. I love my classmate. His name is Daniel. I know he loves me too, but he never tells me. We are in the same college class. We study together sometimes. We sit together in the library. He brings me coffee. He smiles at me every day. I can see it in his eyes. He likes me. Maybe he even loves me. But Daniel is very shy. He never asks me out. He never says the words. I am pretty. People tell me this all the time. I think this makes Daniel more nervous. He looks at me, then he looks away. His face turns red. He opens his mouth to say something, then he closes it again. Sometimes I want to help him. I want to say, "It's okay, I like you too," but I don't say it. My mother always told me the man should speak first. My friends say the same thing, so I wait and wait. I wait for 2 years. Every day I see Daniel. Every day I hope today will be the day. Today he will ask me out. Today he will tell me how he feels. But he doesn't. One day my friend Sarah says,
Amy, just tell him.
I can't, I say. What if I'm wrong?
You're not wrong.
Sarah says.
Everyone can see he likes you. Stop waiting.
I think about her words. She is right. Why am I waiting? Life is short. College is almost over. Soon we will all leave. We will go to different places. What if I never see Daniel again? That thought scares me. So I make a decision. I will tell him. I will go to his house. I will say, Daniel, I like you. I have always liked you. I feel excited. I feel nervous. I feel brave. But first, I want to finish my last exam. It is tomorrow. After the exam, I will go to his house. I will tell him everything. Just one more day. That's all. The next morning, I wake up early. I put on my favorite blue dress. I brush my hair. I look in the mirror. You can do this, Amy, I say to myself. I take the bus. I walk to his street. I know where Daniel lives. I have walked past his house many times before, but I never knocked on the door. I was always too scared. Today is different. Today, I am ready. I stand in front of his door. I take a deep breath. I knock. I hear footsteps inside. The door opens. A woman looks at me. She looks 40 years old. I don't know her.
Yes?
She says.
Can I help you?
I feel confused. I am looking for Daniel, I say. Does he live here? The woman shakes her head.
Oh, no.
She says.
Daniel moved out yesterday. We moved in this morning.
My heart stops. Yesterday? I say. My voice is very quiet.
Yes,
The woman says.
yesterday morning. The landlord told us. Daniel got a new job in another city. He left very fast.
I can't speak. I can't move. Yesterday. He left yesterday. I was 1 day late. Just 1 day. Do you know where he went? I ask.
No, sorry.
She says.
We don't know.
I say thank you. I walk away. I walk past the park, past the coffee shop, past all the places where I saw Daniel. I sit on a bench. I start to cry. Why did I wait? Why didn't I tell him last week? Last month. Why did I care about rules? I don't even have his number. It's too late. I sit on the bench for a long time. People walk past me. Cars drive by. The world keeps moving, but I feel stuck. One day. Just one day late. That was 3 months ago. I still think about Daniel every day. I wonder where he is. I wonder if he is happy. I wonder if he thinks about me too. I learned something important that day. Don't wait. If you love someone, tell them. Don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait for them to speak first. Because sometimes tomorrow is too late. Sometimes one day changes everything. And sometimes one day is all you need to lose everything. Do you think Amy did the right thing by waiting, or should she have told Daniel sooner? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you want to improve your English while enjoying stories like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Lesson of the day. Nervous. Nervous means to feel worried, scared, or shy about something that is going to happen. Examples from the story. I am pretty. People tell me this all the time. I think this makes Daniel more nervous. I feel nervous. More examples? I feel nervous before a test. She feels nervous on the first day of work.